It doesn't matter whether a video system runs as application for video security or process documentation and optimization. At the end of the day, only one fact counts. The video system has to run and the video footage has to be available. Always. This is redundancy. Geutebrück offers different levels and ways of redundancy. And within this film we explain how this works and how it looks like in our solutions. Besides the possibility to equip a server with a redundant power supply, Geutebrück offers the opportunity to create a software-based redundancy. For example, a mirroring of the operating system. If one hard drive fails, another one stands in and the user can continue to work without any restrictions. On the other hand, the video footage has to be secured. The easiest way is to run a RAID system. Geutebrück offers all common levels of RAID systems, starting with a mirroring of the database up to RAID levels 5 and 6. These high levels use additional spare disks which run in parallel to the standard ones in order to create the redundancy. If one hard drive fails, the spare disk takes over so that the recording continues without any interruption. Reliability is not only a question of hardware but also of software. Geutebrück's GSIM offers the feature of failover. Failover means that one component is standing in for the others. If a GSIM server fails, a second one can take over. The user will not recognize the switchover and the functionality of the system will remain available. But GSIM can also create a failover for the recorders. A spare recorder is installed in the system which is available for the failover function. If a recorder fails, this unit will stand in. GSIM will place all settings of the failed unit on the failover recorder. Once the recorder is back in the system, GSIM will switch back the settings and the failover recorder will return to his function. The recorded footage remains on the spare unit. The user will not recognize that the video footage is spread over several recorders, as GSIM will handle the playback and the research. Another redundancy level can be created by the cameras, and therefore Geutebrück offers the feature of edge recording. Edge recording means, in case of a network failure, the camera will continue the recording on an internal SD card. As soon as the network is available again, the camera will transmit the video footage via a separate stream to the recorder. But in an ideal world, there shouldn't be any failure, and therefore Geutebrück developed G-Health. G-Health is a software which monitors the system and informs initially once a hardware component has a problem. For example, the hard drives. If one hard drive shows a couple of bad sectors, G-Health will inform the administrator. The bad hard drive can be exchanged even before it fails. With these solutions, Geutebrück ensures a high reliability of your system and a continuous recording of your video data.